What's up, watch lovers? This is WatchJ, and this time we've got the Perrelet Turbine Pilot, the big and bold sporty piece with a strong aviation vibe. First of all, there is that spinning turbine on the dial, following every move of your wrist. In a nutshell, it acts like a regular rotor winding the mainspring. But it looks crazy cool and even has some real sense, for in any Perrelet turbine, it actually works in a pair with the rotor at the backside. The second aviation tip is of course the slide rule. Perrelet Turbine Pilot even has an additional crown at 9 to set it. The massive black PVD steel case measures 48 mm in diameter and complemented by the trademark locks, 3 on each side. Feels very masculine and self-assured. Find more on WatchJ.com.